What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mattress Breeze. This is tips and tricks for the Novilla memory foam mattress. In this video, we're going to be showing you some tips and tricks for this mattress to help you maximize the value and comfort you get out of it. Now, before we go any further, I do want to remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. And for your convenience, we have included the link to this mattress, as well as the links to every product we go over in this video, in the video description. So if you're interested in this mattress or any of the other products, be sure to check out the links for the latest info on pricing and availability, because that information is always changing. But with that being said, let's get into the video. So my first trick for this mattress is to let it air out for a little while before actually using it. Now, when you get this mattress, it's going to be really tightly sealed. They do this for a couple reasons. First of all, they want to protect the mattress during shipping so it's not as easily damaged or stained. The second reason is to fit it into a smaller, more compact box so it's easier to store and move around. So as a result of it being really tightly packed, it's going to be really compressed and sort of flat when you open it. Because of this, letting the mattress sit to air out is going to give it time to reach its full volume so you can get the maximum comfort from it. Ideally, you should let it sit for around 72 hours before using it, but not everybody has that kind of time, so as long as you let it reach its full volume and it doesn't feel flat or deflated, then it should be good to use. But just remember, the longer you let it air out, the better. My next tip for this mattress is to rotate it every so often to keep it fresh. This is a memory foam mattress with some really thick memory foam layers that conform to your body, giving it pressure relieving qualities as well as providing really good back support. Because of this, it is a good idea to rotate your mattress so that when you're sleeping on it, you're not going to be putting all your body weight on the same part of the mattress all the time. This is going to prevent certain parts of the mattress from getting flattened, and overall, it's going to keep the mattress fresher for longer. Now, luckily, this mattress is really durable, and you won't have to rotate it often. But that being said, rotating it every 3 to 6 months is going to help the mattress last a lot longer. My next tip for this mattress is to choose a pillow that's right for you. With this mattress, you could use 2 different pillows and have 2 completely different experiences. There are lots of different types of pillows out there, so whether you want one that's really firm and conforms to your neck and head, like this Coop Home Goods pillow for example, that's made of a mixture of memory foam and a down alternative, made to really conform to your neck and head and get that memory foam texture that provides a lot of support. Or if you prefer something that's really fluffy and comfortable, like these Beckham Hotel Collection pillows that are made of a normal type of down and are more focused on being really fluffy and cloud-like and providing comfort in general. No matter which pillow you choose, be sure you're choosing one that's right for you and fits your specific needs and preferences. My next tip for this mattress is to use a bag for transportation and storage. Now, this mattress in general, compared to many others, is really easy to move around, and it has a mattress cover of sorts that protects it from damage and spills, but at the same time, it's always a good idea to be safe, especially when you're moving the mattress from one place to another, or if you're storing it for a decent period of time, because whenever you transport or store a mattress, you open it up to risk of being damaged or being stained or something like that. Even if you're just storing it in a room for a while, having a good mattress bag is going to protect it from stuff like dust. This specific mattress bag in the video is really nice because it not only has a really thick tarp material that's going to protect it from dust, water, and that sort of thing, but it also has some real strong handles, making the mattress even easier to move. My next trick for this mattress is to use a bed frame that's strong enough to hold the mattress without a box spring. Box springs can be nice when used in the right situation, but most of the time, they're really just an inconvenience that adds another step and makes setting up your bed more time consuming and more expensive as well. Fortunately, this is completely avoidable because nowadays there are so many bed frames that are strong enough to hold a mattress without a box spring. This specific bed frame in the video is the Zinus Tanya platform bed frame. This bed frame is really nice because not only does it have wooden slats that are easy to install and strong enough to hold a mattress without a box spring, but it also has a really nice wooden appearance that stands out and goes with pretty much any style of bedroom. In addition to just aesthetically looking nice, this bed frame also has a headboard that's really stylish and useful as well. In case you're interested in this specific bed frame, again, we do have the link to this product in the video description so you can get the latest info on pricing and availability. But regardless, no matter which bed frame you choose, be sure that it's strong enough to hold a mattress without a box spring to save time, money, and overall make the process of setting up your bed a lot more convenient. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress cover. Now technically, this mattress already does come with a mattress cover. Since it is a memory foam mattress, most of those do, but at the same time, the mattress cover that comes on this mattress isn't very easy to wash. In fact, I don't think you can even take it off. So if you get a spill on it or something like that, it's gonna be a lot harder to deal with. Getting a mattress cover on top of this one is not only gonna ensure that if you get a spill or something like that on it, that you can easily wash it off, but it's also gonna add yet another layer of protection to the mattress and help keep it fresh in general. This particular mattress cover in the video is the Safe Rest Premium Mattress Cover. What I really like about this mattress cover is that not only does it do its job real well, but it's also really easy to apply, going over the mattress just like any fitted sheet. So overall, if you want to add an extra layer of protection to your mattress to give you peace of mind that it'll be safe in the event of a spill, and to just keep it fresh for longer, I definitely recommend getting a mattress cover of some kind, even though this mattress technically does have a mattress cover already. My next tip for this mattress is to add a mattress topper. Now mattress toppers are really cool, and while sometimes they can have pretty much the same function as a mattress cover, the purpose in general of a mattress topper is a lot different in the sense that you can use a mattress topper to change the entire texture of the bed and give you either a much softer experience or a much more firm experience. Another cool thing about mattress toppers is that they can elevate you a little bit, so if your mattress isn't quite the height you want, you can make it a little bit taller. Now with this mattress, it's definitely on the thicker side, so that's probably not going to be an issue, but at the same time, it is something to keep in mind. Now this mattress topper in the video is the Subertex gel-infused memory foam mattress topper. I wouldn't say this mattress topper is very soft or very firm. It's really right in the middle, but its main advantage, the thing I really like about this mattress topper, is that as the name suggests, the memory foam it's made of is infused with cooling gel, which is going to help dilute excess body heat, preventing you from getting too hot while you're sleeping. So if you're in a hotter climate, or maybe if your bedroom isn't as ventilated as you might want, this mattress topper is going to be a great choice for that. But no matter what mattress topper you get, they come in all different shapes, sizes, and firmnesses, so be sure you choose one that fits your specific needs and preferences. My last tip for this mattress is to use a taller frame for more storage underneath the bed. Whether you want to reduce clutter, free up closet space, or just store larger objects in general under your bed, having more storage space is always a good thing. And not only does a taller frame give you more storage space, but it also gives you more elevation, and this is great if you want to match the height of your bed to maybe a piece of furniture like a nightstand. Now this specific bed frame in the video is the Amazon Basics 14-inch foldable metal bed frame, and what's so cool about this bed frame is not only is it tall enough to give you a good amount of storage underneath, but it's also super portable and easy to move around. So if you're moving from one place to another, you don't need to worry about assembly at all. And if you're storing it, you can easily just put it in a closet or underneath another bed and forget about it until you need it. Even if you want to use it in a more temporary fashion and you don't want to waste space with a Murphy bed or futon or something like that, you could always get this bed frame and pair it with a foldable mattress or something like that, and it makes it really easy to set up and put away. And to top it all off, this bed frame, despite being so portable, is strong enough to hold a mattress without a box spring. Regardless of your situation, this bed frame is really great, and it even comes in a taller 18-inch version as well. But no matter what bed frame you get, be sure to get one that's at least 14 inches tall, so you have a good amount of storage space available when you need it. But those were my tips and tricks for the Novilla memory foam mattress. Overall, this is a great mattress with a ton of really nice qualities that'll make sleeping on it a really comfortable and pleasant experience. Again, for your convenience, we have included the links to all the products discussed in this video in the video description, so if you want to learn more about any of them, be sure to check out those links to see the latest info on pricing and availability, because that information does change from time to time. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope these tips and tricks make using this mattress a better experience as well. As always, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. But that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.